Clean wraps live longer. Just as regular maintenance extends the life of your vehicle, proper care also extends the life of your wrap. Because a vehicle wrap is constantly exposed to the environment, ongoing maintenance is essential if you want it to perform for as long as possible. Regular cleaning is one of the most effective ways to prolong a wrap's lifespan. Hand washing is best, using a quality, wrap-safe soap to remove grit and dirt before it can build up. Accumulated dirt is abrasive and attracts more abrasive particles, which slowly wear away the surface of the wrap and expose it to increased sun damage. Certain contaminants require immediate attention. Bird droppings and tree sap are particularly harmful and should be removed as soon as possible, as they can stain, etch, or prematurely degrade the wrap if left untreated. With consistent care and the right cleaning method, your wrap will not only look better, it will last significantly longer.